Today we are teaching the installation of fractional laser machine. Firstly, we will install the screen stand. Take the screen cable and thread it through multiple holes in the bracket. After straightening out the screen cable, use a cross-shaped round head screw to secure the bracket. Install bracket cover plate. Place the side with the gap facing the instrument and cover the bottom of the bracket. Use the two longest crosshead screws to secure the cover plate. Before installing the screen, it is necessary to open the screen back panel. Unscrew the 4 screws located on the back panel. Insert a screwdriver into the screw hole and use force to separate the back panel and screen. Then thread the screen cable through the screen back panel. After passing through the back panel, we align the bracket with the holes on the back panel and install screws. After installing the back panel, we can proceed with the installation of the screen. Align the screen interface cable with the interface on the screen and insert it. Align the back panel and press slightly to embed the screen into the backboard. Find 4 short Phillips flathead screws, insert them into the holes on the back panel, and tighten them. Find 4 silicone covers and insert them into the screw holes of the bracket and screen. Next, we will proceed with the installation of the bracket. Find the screw holes on the lower bracket and align it with the upper bracket to insert and tighten it. Next, we will install the handle onto the bracket. When we need to adjust the height of the bracket, we need to hold down the switch on the bracket. Finally, we proceed with the installation of the foot pedal. When inserting, it is necessary to align the red dots on the insertion port and socket. So we have installed a fractional laser machine.